Hello, friends. I'm so looking forward to my upcoming workshop in London on June the 7th called The Story of Your Life Making Sense of the Past and Present, hosted by my good friends at Alternatives UK. In this one day workshop, we're going to be looking at how we create meaning in our lives. What is the sense that we make of what has happened to us? What is the source of our deeper purpose? And what sorts of choices can we look at that will deepen our sense of significance, intentionality, and creative potential? This is going to be a wonderful day of deep exploration and sharing, and I hope so much that you'll be able to join us. So if you have any questions whatsoever, please don't hesitate to let me know. I hope to see you on June the 7th in London for the story of your life, making sense of the past and present. Till then, take good care. Bye-bye.